back to the channel. It's your boy Day Day. I'm tired. Hey, big ol' lie to you, I'm tired. I'm sleepy. It's early. I've been running around. Got a lot of errands to do. We at the shop right now. I'm trying to finish my bike so I can try to bring it out. I'm debating if I really want to enter the tournament because it's the risk of, you know, things happening to the motor that I don't want happening. If you're new, please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and please watch the advertisements. That's how I'm able to travel around and make these videos that y'all like to see and do things to my bikes that y'all like to see. And this stuff is not cheap at all, so please don't skip the ads. Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell everybody. And let's get to it, you feel me? Like, it's a good day. It's gonna be a good, Wednesday? So let's get to it. Sure, bike. How you think it's gonna run? Matter of fact, introduce yourself, your club, everything.
I'm from the Clash Gang, and people call me Edward or Word 50. You feel me? Shit. Daryl said it might hit 80, but shit, I'm trying to hit 90.
Yo, what's the deal, y'all? We have to stop by Fast Lane Shop, man. Let's see what's going on. We got mini bikes, we got the custom seats, we got the key tags, man. Oops, golly. Look at this though. I like this bike right here. I like that color. That fluorescent green. We got a roller right here. We got a baby helmet. We got tires. We got tri-stars. So if y'all want to shop with them, T-bars, don't forget the famous light. So if y'all want to come shop with them, DM them at FLR_mini bikes on Instagram. They get you right. They got go fast parts, you feel me? We got all type of stuff over here, man. We got side covers, fly wheels, man. We got flat top pistons. We got hibs. We got rocker springs, push rods. Man, we got rods. Everything over here. Come shop with my peoples, man. And if all you other motor enthusiasts, we got the motor mouse over here, man. Key kill switches. They do RC cars too, man. This is like a customer bike right here. I like this. Sheesh. That's your bike getting worked on in the back?
Yes, sir.
What you getting?
Get it right. Make it right.
Yes, sir. What you going down to? Matter of fact, introduce yourself. Let your name.
My name is Tony Boy from Long Beach.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the only place to get it right.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully
hopefully it fixed this problem. This dude said his spark plug keep getting black after 30 minutes of riding every time. So I changed the coil, the plug, and the carburetor.
Rowdy mini bikes out here.
Yes, sir. We at Fast Lane Shop right now.
Yeah,
we got
came here
some
to
customers.
get some gaskets, some studs. So hopefully they get me right. I've never been here, so first time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What about you? You want to be on the camera?
Bikes, you already know. We out here.
We ended up at this hobby store, man. And it's wild. It's like super crazy. He done dragged me into some stuff, man. I might spend a couple dollars here. Look, Mike. Cause golly. I actually need some batteries and a charger. So that's what I might get today so I can drive my car whenever I feel like it. Yeah, man. Look at this. This is insane.
Here you go right here.
That's two, huh?
Yeah. That's not the LCD, lower center of gravity.
Low C, the wrestlers, Traxxas, Creighton. Oh man. Get all different type of trucks up top. All type of stuff.
All the body.
Yeah, all the bodies, raw bodies. Uh-huh.
All wheels.
All wheels and tires. Let's go take a trip, man. Jesus. All wheels and all different type of tires. This is insane. So what you come here to pick up?
Some little front suspension aluminum pieces for my truck.
Yeah. Oh man. This is crazy. They getting a big truck right there.
The light one? Oh, that's a good one.
Pin holders or mounts. I need these things. Does the screw go through?
So it's just the screw with the nut in the back?
No, there's no nut.
Or it has those little clips?
But I want to know if you have the one for the EXB.
Oh, you told about these yesterday, right?
No.
That wasn't you?
Really?
Okay.
I'd rather have that because these things keep unscrewing out. And I've even changed the plastic and it's still, I'm having that problem.
Okay.
So if you have the EXB ones, I would
Prefer
to go there. They're aluminum. So.
And then you said it was the EXB.
It's a Typhon. I'm sorry, it's a Italian, but it's the same as this.
Okay. You're using it from the 5th scale version or the 6S?
It's the 8 scale, 6S, 6S.
6S? Okay, so
Yeah. See if he has it.
It's crazy. Like, look at the size of this. Like, let's sit here and compare this to my hand. We're gonna put my hand on. This is about the size of my hand. And this one is a little bit bigger than my hand. Yo, look how big this is. Like, look at the tires. Like, in comparison to my hand, Jesus. Like, look at this. Oh man, that's crazy. It's full of planes, and this is Tony's Hobbies.
Ones that go into the bottom arm?
Oh, okay. I need the ones that go through here.
Yes. So this, I believe this is the pin that goes through. There it is.